With MEANWELL, every morning starts with reliable and intelligent charging. Our NPB series ensures safe, efficient power for everyday automation, so your automation systems are ready from the moment you switch them on. It adapts to a wide range of voltages, making setup seamless across different applications. Its programmable charging curve lets you fine-tune performance to suit your exact needs. With built-in CAN bus support, you're always in control to monitor, adjust, and optimize charging in real time. And in demanding conditions, the system protects itself by automatically reducing power. Built for harsh environments, the PHP Series is efficient, waterproof, and durable. With built-in PM bus and CAN bus for control and monitoring, and an IP67 rated design, it ensures reliable operation across indoor and outdoor applications. When space is limited, but performance can't be compromised, the PHP Series fits right in. Its ultra-slim fanless design delivers reliable, high-performance power, keeping critical systems running without interruption. With compact designs and high power density, MEANWELL solutions support continuous, high-efficiency industrial automation. Whether it's morning routines or important missions, MEANWELL powers every moment.